Okay, so I got my new pots. Bitch, I got my pots. So we're gonna unbox it. Okay, let's look at these bad boys. Ooh, like the color, pretty. Put it right in the sink to wash. And some tongs, very nice. And then we have a nice ladle, very nice. Okay, we got the little card here with the instruction manual. Really cute. And I guess it has some recipes and cooking instructions and things of that nature. So, lid one. Wow, that's nice. Whoa, look at that. Oh, look how pretty. Look at the handle. Ooh, so shiny. Oh my goodness, look at that handle. Look how pretty that is. Wow. Fraudulent tax returns due to identity theft 20% last year. That's why LifeLock monitors millions of data points for identity theft. LifeLock, for the threat you can't control. Very nice. Okay, got those. Let's see what else we have. Okay, everything's falling. Another beautiful lid. I mean, look how well crafted that is. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. I mean, the iridescent on the inside. I don't know if the camera's catching it, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I think I got all in boxes now. This one over here. So, this is what the set came with. I have 4 lids, 3 utensils, and 6 pots. So that is all. So in my next cooking videos, I will be displaying these pots. If you want more information about these pots, I would say just go to their website. They are not paying me. Throw that out there. So this is just for fun, but beautiful set. I love it. I'll give you a review of how they cook when I make breakfast in a few. So thanks so much, y'all. Have a wonderful day. Peace and blessings, and Happy New Year to you guys. So until next time, bye.